Okay, so Joey needs to add some hives to his apiary 1, and so we go to apiary tasks and we click the drop down menu here and we need to create some hives. Now we try to make it as flexible as possible, but please give us feedback if it's not giving you what you need. I'm just going to go back in history because I want to be able to do a little bit of data, show you a little bit of build out some historical data as effectively. So let's say Joey's got 60 hives here. They're all they might be 10 frame Langstroth wooden hives. I call it timber, you call them wooden, but I can change the terminology here to suit the users, whatever you want. Brood configuration, he's running a double brood box, and because that's what you do in the US, and it's currently a 2-story hive, and he runs 9 frames per super, and this is important because when we start to do harvests, you'll see that the software tracks the weight in kilograms or pounds of honey that you're harvesting. So it'll give you a couple of options there. We'll cover that later. These are production hives, so hit submit. So what it's done now is it's populated his apiary with these hives. Now for UX experience, rather than having a really long list that you have to scroll through, we just show the first 5, and then you can click the show all button, and that will then pop down and show the rest. But now we can see these hives, so we can click on view in the quick view, which is an accordion drop down. It just gives you a quick overview of at a hive level here. So it shows what configuration it is. It shows its harvest data for our inspections, etc. So as you can see, there's no data here. But what I can do now is click on this button here and go to the dashboard, and as you can see, we've got that same UX look and feel coming through. So now we're at the dashboard level of the hive, and this is filling out quite quickly at the moment. So in tasks, we've got some tasks growing out here over time, but we'll come back to hive management in a future video. Let's jump back to our apiaries. Click on our apiary, and as I said, we've got some hives. We've got 60 hives. So it's updated the status here as well. So that's got you set up, got Joey ready to go. So let's get on to the next step, which is doing some of the management activities around, for example, inspections and harvests on hives.